Hello everyone. We had completed our section A. Now today onwards we are going to start section B of chapter 1 to 3. So let's get started. So first, starting with chapter number 1, section B, give differences, and the first one is drip irrigation method and sprinkler irrigation method. First point in drip irrigation method is there is the least wastage of water by this method. And first point in sprinkler, there is a somewhat more wastage of water as compared to drip irrigation. Second point is expense for pipes in high as the pipe is to be passed nearby the each plant. Second point in sprinkler, one sprinkler can irrigate many plants around it, so comparatively expense is less in this method. Third point in drip irrigation, this method water is available to plants only, the surrounding soil remains dry. Third point in sprinkler, in this method water is available to plant and soil around it. Last point, weeds do not grow. In last point in sprinkler, so weeds do grow. Now starting with one sentence answer. First one is, which modern mechanical equipment is used to harvest crops in large fields? And the answer is a harvester. Modern mechanical equipment is used to gather crops large fields. Second one is, which equipment is used to separate seeds from its cob? And the answer is thresher is used to separate seeds from its cob. Third one is, what is net house? And the answer is a net is tied on the sides or also on the top of the required space in farm to protect plants against intense heat of the sun. This is called net house. Fourth question is, which instrument is used to spray insecticides? And the answer is sprayer is used to spray insecticides. Now moving towards to chapter number 2, section B, answer the following question in one sentence, and the first one is, what is the shape of paramecium? And the answer is the shape of paramecium is chapel-like. Second one is, state two example of protozoa, and the answer is amoeba and paramecium are the example of protozoa. Third one is, which type of color are found in algae? And the answer is red, brown, blue-green and green color are found in algae. Fourth question is, for which disease was vaccine invented by Louis Pasteur? And the answer is vaccine for rabies was invented by Louis Pasteur. Fifth one is, what is the shape of amoeba? The shape of amoeba is identified. Now moving towards the chapter number 3, answer the following question in one sentence. And the first one is, which are man-made materials? And the answer is glass, nylon, plastic, neoprene, cement, chemical, fertilizers, etc. are man-made materials. Second one is, how are artificial fiber prepared? And the answer is artificial fibers are prepared from thread-like fibers of cotton and jute by chemical reactions. Third one is, which substance are used in the manufacture of glass? And the answer is silica, which is known as sand, and the formula is SiO2, soda ash, which is known as sodium carbonate, and the formula is Na2CO3, and limestone, and the formula is CaCO3, are used in the manufacture of glass. Fourth question is, what is the specialty of neoprene? And the answer is, there is no effect of acid or petrol on neoprene. It is stable at high temperature. Now give differences. And the first one is natural rubber and artificial rubber. First point in natural rubber is, as it is soft, it cannot last long. And first point in artificial rubber, as it is strong, it lasts long. Second point in natural rubber, it is affected by heat, cold, acid and petrol. In artificial rubber, it is not affected by heat, cold, acid and petrol. Second one is thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic, and the first point is on heating it becomes soft. In first point, and thermosetting plastic is on heating it does not become soft. Second point is its original shape can be altered. Second point in thermosetting, its original shape cannot be altered. Last point in thermoplastic, polythene, PVC, polystyrene, etc. are the example of thermoplastic. And last point in thermosetting plastic is bakelite, melamine, etc. are the example of thermosetting plastic. So here we are completed our section B of chapter 1 to 3, and you have to write all the revision in Fun Notebook. Thank you.